Good morning and good afternoon, everybody. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching One Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can unsuspend your Twitter account in 2022. So basically, I'm going to be showing you the latest step on how you guys can unsuspend your Twitter. Now, there's some reason behind why your Twitter account is going to be suspended. One, if it is done by a mistake, which means like Twitter just thought you did something wrong when you actually did not, and banned it. And the other is you actually violated the community guidelines of like Twitter, which means you violated the rules of Twitter. You broke some rule and Twitter banned you. If you got banned due to you not following the rules of Twitter, then even by following the step which I'm going to be showing you in this video, your account is still going to be suspended. You can't unsuspend it. All right. And the only way to unsuspend that account is to wait until the suspension period is over. But let's say you did not do anything wrong and your Twitter account got suspended for no reason. Then by following the step in this video, you can unsuspend your Twitter account, because in this case, Twitter is in fault. And once you appeal or report, they are going to see it and they're going to help you unsuspend your account, right? So follow the step. Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. First step, search for Twitter account suspended and click on help on your suspended Twitter account. It's going to take you to the official page of Twitter. Over here, scroll a bit down and you want to choose file and appeal over here. Once you click on file and appeal, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, you want to choose where are you experiencing this issue. And over here, you want to choose which device you use. If it is Android, click on Android. If it is an iOS, just stick on iOS. To choose whichever device you use your Twitter on. After you choose it, over here where it says description of problem, you want to write this. Hello, my name is @Kevin. Now, this is my Twitter's username. You got to write your Twitter's username over here. My account is suspended for no reason. Can you give me a reason on why it is suspended? Or if it is done by mistake, can you help me recover it? You want to write this. After you write this, you want to scroll a bit down. You want to enter your full name. You want to enter your Twitter's username. And over here, you need to enter your email. And over here, you need to enter your phone number. After you do that, there's going to be a button over here at the bottom. You want to click on it. And this appeal will be filed to Twitter. And once this problem is reported to Twitter, it might take 1 or 2 days for Twitter to view your problem. After they view it, they'll unsuspend your account if they think like they did it by mistake, all right? So that's how you guys can unsuspend your Twitter account. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye-bye.